Hey everyone, hope you're doing great and having a great time, and we have another awesome workout coming for you tomorrow. It's going to be 5 rounds for time. Each round is going to comprise 12 deadlifts, 9 weighted squats, 50 DUs or 100 single skips. And we have a time cap of 15 minutes, which means that every round should not take you more than 3 minutes to complete if you want to complete it within the time that's stipulated. Okay, so let's take a look at the intended stimulus for today. It's going to be a medium pace workout because it's 15 minutes long and it can't be a sprint. We're going to take about 90 seconds for you to finish your 12 deadlifts and 9 weighted squats. Make sure to move from your last deadlift into clean the weight into onto your shoulders and then continue with your weighted squats. So if you need to take a break, try and take a break immediately after all the weighted movements are over. And then try to take another 90 seconds to finish your skipping. There is no rest which is programmed into the workout, so you got to find your own rest today. Quick look at the exercises. The deadlift starts off on the weight on the floor and you just bring it into a standing position. No bending of your elbows, no using of your arms, keeping core tight, back straight at all points of time. For the weighted squats, you can hold the weight behind your neck. You got to descend into a full squat. Make sure that you're pushing your knees out. Again, the same things apply. You got to keep your back straight and core engaged. You can also hold the weight on your shoulder while you descend into a squat. For your skipping, if you know how to do double unders, it's a very technical movement which requires you to jump into the air high enough so that the rope travels twice beneath your feet. Now, if you can't do this, as most people will take a few months to learn this, you can do single skips instead, which is just your regular skipping where the rope travels once beneath your feet for every time you jump up. Now, if you don't have a rope, skipping rope, or you don't know how to skip, and 100 single skips takes you more than a minute, you can either reduce the reps or you can also fall back onto our default scaling option, which will be double taps instead. You got to jump up as high as possible in a double tap, and keeping your hands straight and at your side, we want you to tap the side of your thighs twice at the top of the jump. Make sure that you get the rhythm right doing this. You must be able to tap the thighs only at the top of your jump, the way I'm doing here in the video. So there you have it, guys. 5 rounds for time with a time cap of 15 minutes. It's going to be a fun workout. Don't forget to upload your scores and have a great one, guys.